We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up WIX stock. We are on a monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bearish red candle. So we do have price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows. Midpoint, also adding second level lows. And also adding third level lows. So let's zoom in the price and see what's going on. So price action on the monthly time frame is a bearish red candle, which is sitting at a doji at the midpoint between those SR lines. Current price is sitting at 75.94. So if price work is up way up from that midpoint, it can head up to the top of that price action candle wick, which would be at 89.92, somewhere in that area, or it can head down to the bottom of that price action wick, which would be the near numbers of 66.28. So let's say if this market is going to come up, push up from that area. So all we're looking for is a pattern, which will be in that area. Coming down in red will be the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So we have a W already. Price action is the retest. If it follows up with a bullish green candle, market's creating its way for that double bottom in a retest and that push. Now, if the market pushes down from that area it currently at, it's coming from multiple pushes to that top. So we can see that first, second, third, fourth retest, the market push down. So it has a head and shoulders pattern, or a triple top, or a double top, and a retest at the high, and the market push down once, retest at the midpoint, push, retest, and we have another push and a retest. And if we receive that engulfment to this area here of that midpoint of the price action, market's coming down for that fourth push. Working our way to the weekly time frame. Price action on the weekly time frame is identifying as a bullish green candle. So more like a doji, push up to the top type of doji. So the market, so let's draw out what we see. Now, if this market is respected for that incline, so market will be coming from that first, second, third, fourth, retest one, came back to retest the previous side, which is the midpoint. And if it's respected for a bullish green candle, market's coming up for a double bottom and a retest. If not, then we will be receiving a pattern of the break, the retest, which will be identified as a first, second, this will be the third leg, and we'll see that market push if we receive that engulfment, and that's a decline double top M pattern. Or we can receive that consolidation, which market is doing. Price second, third, fourth, fifth, the last candle all within each other, and sixth, the last candle all within each other, hanging out that midpoint. Did receive a few spikes up to that high, and we can see also there's another pattern above that price action, which is coming up in red. Is the first leg, so spike, second, third leg, fourth leg. So we have a double top, a retest, and that pattern drops down. It's coming from a double top and a retest. So there's patterns inside, patterns overall, and there's patterns in that area. Headed down to the daily time frame. Okay, so price action on the daily time frame is a bearish red candle side by side with the second last candle. So are we looking for the engulfment to the price action to the second last candle to the top side or downside that's going to push that market in that direction? And we can see that market is in the midpoint, high, low, and we have the mid. So either the market's going to break down and engulf the workers down to the next area and engulf the workers way up. There's also patterns in that area, so let's see it. So if we add that midpoint, we can see that first, second, third, fourth. Price is trying to respect that midpoint If it follows up, double bottom and a retest. If not, then we'll see that first, second, third engulfment to the downside of the second last candle, and we'll see that double top formation. Headed down to the 4-hour time frame. So we already know we are looking for the engulfment to the third to last candle. So we're going to put this in the zone. Put the third to last candle in the zone. So all we look doing is waiting for that market to break out that zone, and we can see that price is hanging out near that midpoint of that zone. And also we'll throw an SR line right between the middle so you can see what's going on as we walk down the time frame. 3-hour time frame. So the market's going to get very choppy as we walk down the market as well. So we're going to just connect the dots. So we have the break, the retest. If it's respected, we'll see the push. If not, we'll see the price work its way back down to the bottom of that zone. 2-hour time frame, still identifying the same thing. Bearish red candle stopped at the midpoint. Price action. 1-hour time frame, bullish green candle. So it's identifying that full break, the retest, and price is trying to work its way back up. If so, we're looking for the engulfment to price action to the second last candle. Also above the resistance, we can see that first, second, third, fourth, that M pattern. Retest the SR line, and then we can push down further if it follows up with another candle. And let's take out the 45-minute. Now in the 45-minute, it can just identify as the first, second, third, fourth. We have a double bottom. Came back for a full retest to the previous side, receive a bullish green candle towards a price in second or summer second. Price is coming from a double bottom and a retest. 30-minute time frame. So that's all it's identifying, is that we have that double top first, second, third, fourth. Price action retest the resistance, and we just waiting around because it's still within the second last candle, which is still within that consolidation. 15-minute time frame, still reading the same thing with the price action candle being a bullish green candle, same as a 5. Market broke, came back to retest. They're still sitting side by side with the second last candle, and we can see the same thing on the 3-minute time frame. So market broke, came back to retest, and just work its way sideways. Price second, all side by side within the third to last candle as well. And let's see what's happening here. So market pushed down a little bit further. So if this market work its way down, the way we'll break this down is that we have price action high, price action low. So that means price action is still sitting in the midpoint of that area. Now, if that market pushes down, we'll see that break, the retest, and the market push down. Also the double retest in here, that fourth to last candle is a spike up first, second, third, and it came back down to that midpoint. If it breaks, you'll start seeing that M pattern eventually on this time frame, maybe the earlier time frames. If not, if it's respected, is identifying the first, second, third, fourth retest, and the market's trying to come up from some type of single bottom and a double retest. So if you see that break of that midpoint, market's working its way down to the next level. If not, if it's respected with the bullish green candle to work his way up from price, market's still working his way up. But still, everything in this area here is another area of just consolidation, still waiting for the breakout to the top side or to the bottom side of that area. Very important information. Please review Forex pattern cheat sheet, break on retest strategy. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. WIX stock.